we are going to talk about the ratios of the ingredients that we use in making our chili sauce. All the ingredients should be about 7 of them, and I'm going to read out the ratios or the percentages which we have used to create, or which we shall use to create our 2 liters of chili sauce. So we shall start with sand and gum, which our usage rating is at 0.5%. If we use sand and gum at 0.5%, for 2 liters, it will translate to 4 grams. That is why the thickness looks like this. The other ingredient that we have used here is water. We used 82% of water, which translates into 1.64 liters, and it is the one that we have used together with the sand and gum to create a base of this viscosity or thickness. However, other ingredients are as follows. Acetic acid. For acetic acid, we shall use 5% of the 2 liters, meaning we will have to use 100 grams. If you convert 5% into 2 liters, it will be 100 grams. The other ingredient is citric acid, and we are using citric acid at the usage rate of 1%, and therefore this makes it 20 grams. The total citric acid for the 2 liters we are doing, or we are making, will be 20 grams. The other ingredient is a preservative. In this case, we are using sodium benzoate, and we are using sodium benzoate at the rate of 0.2%. Therefore, at 0.2%, the total weight of the sodium benzoate will be 4 grams. It will be 4 grams. We are also using a sweetener, in this case the saccharin, and we are using 0.5% of the saccharin. So 0.5% in making 2 liters will be 10 grams in total. The other ingredient is the food color. Now, when it comes to the usage of food color, we may not really quantify it, but it should not go beyond 0.1%. This is because depending on the type of chili pepper that you have used, the final color is determined by the addition of the food color that we shall use. If we use too much food color, it will be brick red. If we use less food color, it will not be purely red, as most of the tomato sauces in the market look like. Therefore, we shall apportion this at 0.1%, which will give us a total of 2 grams. So we may use 2 grams of the food color in our 2 liters of chili sauce. The last ingredient we shall use is the grounded chili pepper, and this one we are going to use 10% of it. Therefore, 10% of the chili pepper for 2 liters of chili sauce, we shall need 200 grams of the ingredient. Depending on how hot you want your chili sauce to be, you can always regulate the usage amount of the chili. For example, if you want your chili sauce to be a bit mild, you can use 5% of the chili pepper. If you want it to be a little bit hotter, you can use 10%. You can increase up to a maximum of 25%, but this will largely depend on the country in which you are, because they have their own regulations.